You need 700 grams of wheat dough. Cut the dough in three and after with a grinder knead until you kind of put the dough in 40 for 40 centimeters. You have to get ready the baking paper in a baking sheet. You put any water and after put the dough white first. You make any orifice. It stands for 30 minutes in your freezer. Now you cut the dough 40 for 20 centimeters. To the custard, we need 750 milliliters of milk, 5 milliliters of vanilla essence, 3 eggs, and 1050 grams of sugar, and you whip these ingredients. When the custard is whipped, you put 75 grams of corn flour and put a little milk and the custard. Let himself be rest for 30 minutes. To the layer, you add land sugar and it good to the cream for 20 minutes to 190 degree high. After cut and serve in 3 pieces. The first piece you put custard cream. To the second piece you do the same, and the last piece I am decorating with chocolate. To bits you cut the eggs.